Hello everyone, this is a short tutorial on how to use SchoolCam. After you install the app and you launch the app, you will see the login screen. So you'll go ahead and click login or tap login, and here you will need to choose your school assigned account. Okay, so you may have here a few other Google accounts. The one that you need to choose is your school account. So I'll go ahead and do that. It'll ask you for some permissions. So in my case, I already gave permissions. In your case, you may need to give permissions for the app to basically be able to upload to Google Drive. And then after that, then it gets authenticated, and you should be able to see here logged in as in your account and the name of your school if your school already enrolled. So I'll get back to the settings screen in a moment. I'll jump directly to the home tab, and this is basically where I'm gonna be able to see the folders that I'm assigned to, so I can upload to those folders. Depending on the configuration of your school, you may see this tab, the My Drive tab. So if your school allows you to upload to your personal side of Google Drive, or you may only see the school tab. And these are folders that have been assigned to you by your administrator. So I will focus this tutorial on the school tab, which are basically the folders that your admin has assigned to you. Normally you would have one personal one personal folder already assigned to you in the form of like user and then your email address. Okay, and then you have some school folders, which are shared folders with other users. So you will have this list, and from here you can immediately start taking photos that will get uploaded to these folders. So if I tap on the camera button, then that should launch the camera and already assign that folder as a destination. Here I'm running a simulator, therefore there is no camera, but the app will generate an image if I take a photo. So here I already took a photo. The last photo will be shown here, and I can take a couple of photos. Now, some things to note about this screen: you can enable these annotations, and if you enable this annotation, basically every time you take a photo, the app will show you another screen, which will let you enter potentially, if you like, a custom file name. You will be able to edit the image if you like, or draw on top of it, or even detect text. You can also add notes that will be added as comments on the photos in Google Drive. So I will go ahead and, for example, change the name to this one, and I can just call it project or whatever I like, and then hit save. Okay, so all the photos get sent immediately to the uploads tab, right? So this is the queue of the photos. These are the 3 that I just took, and they're ready to be uploaded. One thing to note that is very important is that in the settings tab, you have this setting called upload immediately, right? By default, it's turned on. So therefore, these photos, as you take them, they'll start uploading them. If you want a bit more control over the photos that you want to take first and then review, then you can turn off these, as I did now here, and you'll be able to see the photos that we took, and then we'll be able to potentially edit or one of them, or rename them, or change where you want to save them, and then you can also delete, for example, one that you may not want to be uploaded. So once I'm ready, I can hit the start button, and then these photos will immediately be uploaded to Google Drive, to the folder that I was assigned to, or that I chose. And so here it tells me 2 files have been uploaded this session. If I tap here, it sends me to the log view. So here you have access to all the photos that you uploaded, when they were uploaded, and you'll be able to see them. Okay, so then let me go back here to the home again. These are folders that you have been assigned to. You can always go and explore that folder and see the photos that you have uploaded to that folder. Here, only the photos that you uploaded will show up, even if it's on the, for example, on one of the folders that had been shared with other teachers. You can always look, so let me bring here Google Drive, and if I go to my Google Drive and go to share with me, you will see the folders basically that have been assigned to you here, and the photos that I just uploaded should show up, okay, right here. So after a photo gets uploaded, it will go to your Google Drive immediately. So I hope this is helpful. And if you have any questions, please do not hesitate to contact us at support@schoolcamapp.com. Thank you.